Hi, Kyler with FlexArm. In this week's Robotics and Manufacturing episode, we'll talk about the container feature on our Ready Robot. Containers can be used within Ready Robotics' forge station for repetitive sequences. This saves us time because we can reuse containers in different parts of the program or even other programs instead of reteaching the robot the same thing over and over again. It also helps with organization. Take a look. So here's a program that we use when tending our 5-axis machine. For this particular program, we had a part that has 2 operations. So I'll show you where some of these containers are used within the program. The first that we come upon here is the closing the 5-axis vise container. Within that container, there's multiple blocks of code. And so that's a repetitive task, you know, closing the vise, opening the vise, opening the door, closing the door. Let's see what else. Cycle start button, blow off. Those are all common sequences that we'll be using to tend our 5-axis machine. So as we continue on down through the program, we have the close the 5-axis vise again. Like I was saying, these are all repetitive sequences that really cut down on programming time. So I'll show you kind of how easy it is once you have a sequence programmed like this to use that again. Let's say we were continuing this program. We'll click on container, and we have this list of different sequences that we can choose from instead of reteaching the robot something we already have before. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on our Robotics and Manufacturing page, and if you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-837-2503.